Now let us discuss matching concept. Matching concept is an elaboration of the expense recognition principle. It requires that expenses should be properly matched with revenue. It may be effected through one of the three ways. One is strict matching. Strict matching is also called cause and effect association. It requires that expenses, like cost of sales, are to be recognized in the same period as the related revenue, example sales, is earned. Number 2, rational allocation. Rational allocation requires that costs benefiting more than one accounting period, like costs of property and equipment, should be rationally allocated over the periods benefited, example, through depreciation. And number 3, immediate recognition. Immediate recognition requires that costs without future period benefits, like salaries, advertising, losses, etc., should be expensed in the period they are incurred. Now we go to single economic entity concept. Single economic entity concept suggests that companies associated with each other by virtue of common control operate as a single economic unit, and therefore consolidation of their financial events and status, consolidated financial statements, should be made to provide a fair view to the stakeholders of their economic singularity. This topic is discussed lengthily in the advanced accounting course. Now we go to adequate disclosure principle. Adequate disclosure principle requires that all relevant information, meaning information that may influence a decision, should be presented in the body of the financial statements or in the notes. Thank you everyone, and I hope you learned something from our series of discussions.